Next, you have your highlighter. You have four colors: yellow, green, blue, and pink. What you can do is go in and highlight different words. Different colors, and then you can actually sort those words. Into separate lists in different documents. I've highlighted several that are green. So basically, once you highlight it, you have the option, you can collect all the highlighted words, and it'll put it in a separate document. So if I select this, it's going to put all the words into a brand new document, as you can see. If I want to get rid of a highlight, I just highlight back over it, hit the clear highlights, and it will take the highlight away. If I want to make a vocabulary list of certain words, I can do that, and it will make a vocabulary list of those words. Let's say that I just wanted the green ones. I can go in and unselect the rest, hit OK. Then I can hit, let me get back over here, vocabulary. There's my vocabulary list, and with a vocabulary list, what it tries to do is it gives you the word, the verbal meaning, and then it gives you a symbol that goes with the word. So you can print this out for your students or share it with them, and they actually have a visual along with the actual definition. And you can make notes out in the column, or they can make notes, and you can save that. The last one, or last two, is voice note, which you basically can record a minute of your voice if you want to make a comment. So for instance, if I wanted to make a comment here, I can say, should have used a different word here, try again. And then insert it. You always have to allow. And then it inserts it as a comment. The last one, see, there's your comment right there, and then you can play that. It's a verbal comment, is the practice reading out loud. Basically, it lets students read any text from a Google Doc or web, and then they can listen to the recording and share it with their teacher. So if I highlight this and press on that, then I just click record. The practice reading out loud feature lets students select any text from a Google Doc or the web, practice and record themselves reading out loud, listen to their recording, and even share it with their teacher. When you hit stop, the little airplane over here, paper airplane, send it to teacher, you can actually send it to your teacher. So you could use this if you wanted to use it to send it to yourself, a note. Of course, you have to go through and allow everything. And I'm going to enter my old other email. And there we go. And the recording's been sent. And that is Google Read and Write. Now, as I said, some of the features may not be optional depending on what your school has paid for. So if you see it grayed out, that just means you can't use it. If it's something that you really need to use, you can actually get a teacher discount and pay for it, or you can talk to your school about doing that if it's something you use quite a bit. And that is how you set up Google Read and Write.